Do you enjoy listening to music? Do you suffer from a mental or physical illness? If so, listening to music can help you heal. Beverly Mertz, an executive editor of Harvard's Women's Health Watch, wrote an article about healing through music. She mentions a time she went for a mammogram. She could hear music playing outside the room. Her thoughts went from what the doctor could find to who the composer was for that piece of music. By the time her name was called for her to go back, her anxiety had subsided and she had forgotten why she was there. Today I'd like to show you how music can be a healer. Many people throughout the world suffer from physical and mental illnesses every day. During this time, I will discuss the illness of anxiety, stroke, and cancer. Many people deal with anxiety every day of their lives. For people with anxiety disorders, it will never go away and it can worsen over time. These feelings can interfere with their everyday lives. It can interfere with daily activities such as job performance, schoolwork, and relationships. According to the Internet Stroke Center, each year in the United States, approximately 795,000 people suffer from a stroke. Strokes are the third leading cause of death in the United States. A stroke is a sudden interruption in the blood supply of the brain. Strokes can cause difficulty in seeing, speaking, and walking. This year, it's estimated that 1,685,210 people will be diagnosed with cancer. There are many different types of cancer. The most common treatments of cancer are surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and many more. Chemotherapy is the use of medicine or drugs to treat cancer. Many people are frightened at the thought of going through chemotherapy. How do you listen to music? You can listen to music on many different devices. One example would be a radio or CD player like the one seen in front of me. Listening to music is sometimes all it takes to subside the symptoms of an illness. For people who have anxiety before a procedure, begin listening to music before the procedure is done and or in the operating room. In controlled clinical trials of people having colonoscopies, cardiac angiography, and knee surgery, those who listen to music before the procedure reduce anxiety and reduce need for sedatives. The ones who listened to it in the operating room stated they had less discomfort during the procedures. The ones who listened to them in the recovery room lowered their use of painkillers. If a person has had a stroke, singing can be a form of communication. The left brain region is what is responsible for our speech. If the side is affected during the stroke, people can work around this by singing their thoughts and gradually dropping the melody. This is possible because the right side of the brain is where singing originates. Listening to music during chemotherapy can help with anxiety and nausea. Being diagnosed with cancer is devastating. Knowing that you have to go through chemotherapy can be nerve-wracking. During chemotherapy treatments, listening to music can help calm those nerves. After receiving your chemotherapy treatment, some patients will become nauseous and start vomiting. Listening to music can help subside the nausea and vomiting. What are the benefits of listening to music? Music provides physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual benefits. Sound is a harmonic healer. When we are feeling good, we are said to be in harmony. When we are sick or in pain, the vibrations of certain sounds can bring us back to a healthy state. Modern science is proving how sound vibrations can improve our health and enhance our lives. A research team in Sweden discovered that humming can be the best way to unblock your sinus passages. Music can help us attain full consciousness. Full consciousness is when we use both sides of our brain evenly. This is seen in musicians and people who have been exposed to music most of their lives. Vanderbilt University psychologists have found that professionally trained musicians use a technique called divergent thinking and use both the right and left sides of their frontal cortex more than the average person. Music can also help us remember. A cognitive neurologist at the University of California said that what seems to happen is a piece of familiar music serves as a soundtrack for a mental movie that starts playing in our head. It calls back memories of a particular person or place, and you might all of a sudden see this in your mind's eye. The neurologist also stated that during the study, he saw that tunes linked the strongest self-reported memories triggered the most vivid and emotional responses. For more healing benefits of music, you can go to wakeupworld.com and read Paul Linda's article titled 9 Healing Benefits of Music. The next time you are sick or in pain, listen to music and experience the healing power for yourself. I know I will. You never know how well it will work until you try it.